Hello everyone, welcome to LoharTalk, and in this video I will discuss about interfaces. So why do we use interfaces? Actually, interfaces are used to define a structure for your class, or we can define a custom types. So let me just give you one example. Let me define one function, and I will name it to log, and it will take person as an object, and it will just log this person object property. Now suppose we have a f name and l name inside this person object. So I will just print it f name and I will provide one space l. Okay, suppose you have this simple function and you are calling this function by providing an object with f name and l name. Okay, so let's compile it, save it, and let's go to command prompt and type tsc space main.ts, and we'll run our code main space main.js. Here you can see it's providing Sunil Loha. So what if the developer accidentally changed the name? Suppose here I provide 2. Now here it won't give me any error. So when we execute this function at runtime, it will give an undefined error. So let's just check. Here I will just compile this tsc main.ts and using node we just execute this. Here you can see we are getting undefined. So to avoid this, we can define our custom type. So here I will declare one interface person, and it will have a f name property which will be a string, and it will have l name and it will be again string. So if I defined person of type person, now here you will see the TypeScript will give you a compile time error that it's not assignable to parameter of type person. Means we need to only provide the property which is present in interface. So if I remove this 2, then it won't give me any compile time error. So it makes your code more cleaner and more predictable. Okay, if the developer accidentally providing any wrong property name or providing any additional properties, suppose I provide xyz true, then it will also give a compile time error that this property doesn't exist on this type of person object. So this is to make sure you are providing a right value to your function. And one more use of this interface to provide a structure to your class. Suppose I have a class and I will name it to xyz, and if I implement this class to interface person, then TypeScript will make sure that you will implement this fname and lname property inside your class. So if you hover on this, then it will provide you compile time error that class xyz incorrectly implement interface. So if you just choose this and implement interface person, then it will automatically implement all those property inside the person. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope guys you like my video, and if you guys have any doubt, please comment below. And next we will discuss about classes. Thank you guys.